Hello friends, keep the momentum. In the last video, we learned about arithmetic operators in C programming. In this video, we will learn about relational operators. Relational operators are specifically used to compare two operands or values in a program. It checks the relation between two operands. So operands are A, for example, A plus B, A and B are operands and plus is an operator. So either A and B variables we will use, operands we can use, or a value we can use. If the given relation is true, it will return 1, and if the relation is false, then it will return 0. So here 1 stand for true and 0 stand for false. Relational operators are heavily used in decision making and performing loop operations. For example, we want to print the bigger number in the given two numbers. So we will compare those two numbers to find the first number is bigger or not. We will use this relational operator A greater than B. If this condition is true, we will print the first number is bigger, else we will print the second number is bigger. In the looping statement, execution of this looping statement to stop that looping execution, there we use this relational operator. There are 6 relational operators supported by C programming. The table below shows relational operators. Here we assume that the variable A is 15 and B is 25. So the first operator double equals to or equals to. It is used to check if the value of two operands are equal or not. If the value of the two operands are equal, then the condition becomes true, else the condition is false. The example A equals to B is not true, it will return a 0. Second operator, not equals. It is used to check if the value of two operands are equal or not. If the value are not equal, then the condition becomes true. A not equals to B is true. In the description, we can see equals to and not equals to operators. Both operators are having the same description. Operator greater than. It is used to check if the value of the left operand is greater than the value of the right operand. If the left operand is greater, then the condition becomes true. A is greater than B is not true. That means B is greater, so it will return 0. Next operator is less than operator. It is used to check if the value of the left operand is less than the value of the right operand. If the left operand is lesser, then the condition becomes true. So A is greater than B is true, so it will return 1. The next operator is greater than equals to. It is used to check if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand. If the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value, then the condition becomes true. So example, A is greater than B is not true. That means value of the B is greater than A. The next operator is less than equals to. It is used to check if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand. If the value of the left operand is less than or equal to the value, then the condition becomes true. Example, A is greater than equals to B is true. Operand A has the value less than or equals to B. So it will return 1. Let us demonstrate these operators in the program. Click on this Turbo C++ shortcut. Start Turbo C++. In the comment we provide the author name, the name of program name, etc. information that we have required, which is not going to execute. So here we will write the name of the program as we are demonstrating the relational operator, an example of relational operator. Next is preprocessor directive. So write #include stdio.h as we need printf and scanf functions in this program. Integer main. So this is the opening and the closing parenthesis of main method. We can say the body of the main method or the definition of the main method. Here we are declaring two variables that we have required, that is integer a is 15 and b is 25 as we have described in our PPT. So printf print the value of a and b, so %d %d. So how this will replace? A equals to b is false and the value of this relation. So the first %d will replace with a value, the second %d will replace with b value, and this third %d, that is false in bracket %d, this will replace with the return value after the relation is checked. So e equals to b. So this relation is true, it will return 1, else it will return 0 if the relation is false. Introduce a new line with the help of \n. Now the second relational operator is not equals to. So again %d not equals to %d is true %d, and these 3% will replace with a, b, and relational operation not equals to b. The next operator is greater than. So %d greater than %d is false a, b, and a is greater than b. That means if the condition is true, that is a is greater than b, it will return 1, else it will return, the condition is false, it will return 0. Printf %d less than %d is true %d, here a comma b comma a less than b. The third operation that we want to carry it out is greater than equals to. So %d greater than equals to %d is false in bracket again %d. So first %d will replace with a, second will b, and third will with the relational operation a greater than equals to b. Next, %d less than equals to %d is true, and the result of the relational operation %d a comma b comma a is less than or equals to b. So these are the relational operators that we have seen in the PPT. equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, equals to, greater, equals, greater than equals to, less than equals to. And then the last statement is return 0. This return 0 stands for successful execution of the program. Let us save this program with the name Relational Operator Demo.c. Relational Operator Demo.c. To compile option, the error shows here the function call missing closing rounded bracket. This error is shown because here we have missed this comma. Again recompile this program with the help of Alt F9. Success shows successful compilation of the program. Introduce \n within this closing parenthesis, \n \n closing \n closing \n. Introduce getCH function to hold the output window. Introduce clear screen function which will flush the previous output window, that CLR SCR, clear screen. Compile, run. Now see the output. The A operand value is 15, the B operand value is 25. So A equals to B, 15 is equals to 25 is false. Equals to operation returns 0 because the condition is false. The second is 15 not equals to 25 is true. So the operation is true. So operation will return 1. 15 greater than 25 is false. So this operation will return 0. 15 is less than 25 is true. So this operation will return 1. So the %d which is in the opening closing rounded bracket, that is replaced with the operation result. That is, the operation is true, it will return 1, else the operation is false, it will return 0. So the next is 15 greater than or equals to 25 is false. This condition is false, so it will return 0. Next is 15 less than or equals to 25 is true. The operation returns 1. So it is in bracket, it is 1. I hope you understood this relational operation equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. We will use those operators while making a decision or while introducing a looping statement in the program. I hope you understood this relational operator and their implementation in the program. Thank you.